alpha phi. Suppose this is angle phi. Suppose this is angle phi. Actually the topic name is angle between two lines. Angle between two lines. Two lines. Okay. Suppose this is angle phi. Okay. So what will be theta plus phi here? What will be theta plus phi? Theta plus phi is equal to 180 degree, no? These are the two angles on a straight line. These are the two angles, theta and phi are on the straight line. I've told you in the beginning, no, that what it makes, how much angle it makes? It makes angle 180 degree, no? 180 degree. That's why it is a straight line.
Yes, sir.
If this is a straight line, then theta plus phi is equal to 180 degree, right? Theta plus phi is equal to 180 degree. So theta plus
Yes.
phi is equal to 180 degree. Or you can write phi is equal to 180 degree minus theta. Okay, is it clear up till now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we will include tan on both the sides. We will include tan on both the sides. So tan phi is equal to tan 180 degree minus theta. So what is tan 180 degree minus theta? It is actually a minus tan theta. Tan 180 degree minus theta is minus tan theta. Remember it. Okay, so tan phi is equal to minus tan theta. Is it clear to you? Tan phi is equal to minus tan theta.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay. Write it down. This is slope. Have you written it?
Yes, sir. Writing.
Okay, right. Once when you complete, please tell me.
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Okay. So from this line, tan theta is equal to minus tan phi. What you have understood? What you have understood? Is it? It is actually. So whatever the value comes here, whatever suppose 2, if the value 2 comes here, then tan phi is equal to minus 2. Okay. So whatever the slope is of
Yes,
tan
sir.
theta, whatever the slope of the tan theta, the negative of that slope will be slope of tan phi. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. So we have completed the angle between two lines. So is there any doubt in this? Remember one thing here, that tan phi is the negative of tan theta, right? Tan phi is the negative of tan theta. So whatever the value comes of this angle, suppose 5 comes for this line slope, then minus 5 will come for this line slope. Okay, theta and phi. Okay, is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so we will
Yes, sir.
continue.
Yes, sir.
So we will continue.
Yes, sir.
So first question. So write down the question. If the angle between two lines is pi by 4, if the angle between two lines is pi by 4, and slope of one line is find the slope of other. Do it fast. Find the slope of other. Is it clear on the board, na?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay, okay. So do it now. Just based on the previous concept, what I have taught right now, based on that concept only, you can solve this question. So in that question, what was there? This was the first line, and this was the second line, and the angle between them was theta. Okay. If the angle between two lines is pi by 4, so here theta is equal to what it is given, pi by 4, and the slope of one line is 1 by 2, m1 is equal to 1 by 2. So find out m2. Just based on the previous concept, the same question is here.
Sir. Sir, M2
Done.
I got, sir. Yeah. sir.
बता दीजिए।
नो नो वो कैलकुलेटिव है ना, क्वेश्चन बड़ा है तो। हाँ मिस आउट हो गया क्या?
चला गया होगा। वो बहुत वो है, पढ़ता है, ये नहीं कि अच्छा नहीं पढ़ता, अच्छा पढ़ता है, लेकिन रेफरेंस भी रखता है। वो किसका पता है? डाउट नेट का। डाउट नेट का।
तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं, रखे हैं हम तो वही चाह रहे हैं। उसमें समझ में आएगा ना। Okay, so have you got any answer?
Sir, completed, sir.
So what is the answer? What is the slope of the second line?
Sir, I got M2 is equal to 3.
M2 is equal to,
Hello.
yes, tell me.
Hello, sir.
हाँ
I got M2 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3.
okay, very good. Minus 1 by 3,
Yes, sir.
right? Okay, so very good.
आप उसको बता दीजिए, पूर्ण चंद्र को चाहिए ना, सिंपल।
So how we have done this? If the angle between two lines is pi by 4, so theta is equal to pi by 4. So what I have told, tan theta is equal to m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m1 m2. Okay. Okay, so tan 45 degree is equal to m2. M2 we have to calculate, and m1 we have given 1 by 2. So 1 plus m1 m2. So what is m1? 1 by 2. Or what is m2? So m2 upon 2. Okay, what is the value of tan 45 degree? It is 1 na? So 1. So 1 plus m2 upon 2 is equal to m2 minus 1 by 2. Okay, so m2 minus m2 upon 2 is equal to 1 plus 1 by 2. m2 minus m2 upon 2. Okay, so m2 is 1 and half. So half, 1 minus half is half. So m2 upon 2, and 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. Okay, so m2 is equal to 3. And if you take the other side, if we take it is angle tan phi, then it will be negative of this one. So all thing will be same. Here tan theta is equal to m2 minus m1 minus 1 by 2. 1 second. If we take tan phi is equal to minus 1, because phi is the negative of tan theta na. Tan phi is the negative of tan theta. So if we take minus 1, so minus 1 is equal to m2 minus 1 by 2. m2 minus 1 by 2 upon 1 plus m2 by 2. 1 plus m2 upon 2. So it will come 1 plus m2 upon 2 is equal to m2 minus 1 by 2. So m2 will come there, go there.
माइनस
Okay, minus. So minus 1 minus m2 upon 2. Okay, so m2 will go there. So m2 plus m2 by 2, m2 plus m2 by 2, m2 plus m2 upon 2 is equal to minus 1 plus 1 by 2. So 3 here लिख नहीं रहा बोलते. So here 3, okay, 2 2 m2 plus m2 is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1, so minus 1 by 2, so 3m2 is equal to minus 1, so m2 is equal to minus 1 by 3. सही. So second answer is m2 is equal to minus 1 by 3. And the first is when we will take negative angle, that I have told you in 10 phi that m2 is equal to minus 1 by 3. When we will take positive angle, then m2 is equal to 3. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay. For both the angles, we have to calculate for both the angles, no? Positive and negative. We have to take both the values here. First, we will take the positive, then we will take the negative one. So these are the two answers. Okay. Shall we continue to the next question? Okay.
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay. Minus 2, 6 and 4, 8. Write down the question.
Sir, your video is off, sir.
1 second. We are just making it perpendicular to the
Okay,
line.
sir.
Okay.
Sir, next question.
Yes, this is the next question.
Okay, sir.
So these are the exercise questions. Okay. So for the these are the example solved example questions. So for the exercise questions, I have shared the screenshot on the chat box. For the exercise question, I will not write the question. I will directly answer it on the board. Okay. These are the solved examples. That's why I am writing on the board. So that solved examples are very important for the concept building. So this is the question which is some different from the last question. This has some different concept. You have attended that class. In that topic, I was teaching the line which is parallel and the lines which are perpendicular to each other. On that concept, this question is based. Okay. For parallel lines, it is the slope of two lines is same, and for the perpendicular lines, the slope of one and the slope of two and the product of that two slopes is equal to -1. Okay. So on that concept, the question is this is the question.
Yes, sir. Return, sir.
Okay, go solve it. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me immediately.
Yes, sir. I'm doing, sir.
Okay. We have used here m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. For perpendicularity of lines, we have m1 m2, slope of two lines is equal to minus 1. So slope of first line is 8 minus 6, 8 minus 6 y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So 8 minus 6 upon x2 is 4 minus x1, 4 minus minus 2 into what is m2, y2 minus y1. So y2 is 24 minus 12 upon x2, x2 is x minus x1 is 8. Okay, is equal to minus 1. This is for perpendicularity of lines. For perpendicularity of lines, slope of two lines is this. Okay, so 8 minus 6 2 upon 4 plus 2 6 into 12 upon x minus 8 is equal to minus 1.
2 by 6.
What?
बता रहा है आंसर।
Okay, so 2 3 ja 3 4 ja. Okay, so 4 is equal to x minus 8 minus of x minus 8. So 4 is equal to minus x plus 8, or x is equal to 8 minus 4. So x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 is the answer. Okay, x is equal to 4 is the answer. Okay, so these two questions are clear to you, what we have discussed now.
Sir, clear, sir.
Okay, so we will continue with the next new topic, that is collinearity of points. Collinearity of points.
You know, Chu,
Yes.
आज फूट गए.
अपने घर पे बोला है। Black. काम कर। So the topic is collinearity of 3 points. This is 3 points. Okay, suppose if you take any 3 points in a plane, suppose there are 3 points in a plane, point A, point B, point C. Okay, suppose there are 3 points in a plane. Okay, and if we join all the 3 points, okay, if we join all the 3 points, and then we have to find that these 3 points are collinear or not, then how we will find it? What is meant by collinear? Collinear means the points are in a single line. Okay, so if the 3 points are collinear, then how we will calculate this, that if they are collinear or not? So for this, suppose there are 3 points A, B and C. So for collinearity of points, for collinearity of points A, B and A, B, C, A, B and C, we have slope of, we must have slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. Okay, write it down. For collinearity of points A, B and C, we must have slope of AB, slope of this one is equal to slope of this one. Suppose the slope of this one AB is M1 and slope of BC is M2, then we must have M1 is equal to M2, then points A, B and C are what? Collinear. Okay. So is this concept clear to you? Shall we move to the question directly?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Clear now? So we have AB, the slope of AB.
Sir, I will write the concept.
Okay, write it down.